Hey guys, welcome back to Sciology. In today's video, I'm going to be telling you how to plan for your exams. Planning is a very important part of the whole study process. This is because if you plan properly, you'll be able to do at least one revision, and this is really going to help you during your exams. Now I'm going to tell you how I plan for my exams. The first thing I do is I follow the traffic light method. For this, you just need to write down all the chapters from any subject you have, and then you have to color code it. You have to color code it in three colors, just like the traffic light: red for difficult, yellow for moderate, and green for easy. On doing this, you'll get to know your understanding on every chapter of a subject. And this is really going to help you to plan, because you should do all the difficult chapters in the starting and the easy chapters in the ending. So you first need to know which is easy and which is difficult. So we'll have to do this color coding first. So this is how it looks after you have color coded it. You also have to make three columns for reading, first revision and second revision. You can also make it 3 revisions or only 1 revision. It's totally up to you, and you can tick it whenever you're done with it. The next thing to do is to draw the calendar of the month you're planning for. I've drawn it from 13th here because I started planning on 13th. Now comes the main part of planning. So now what you have to do is you have to go refer the table you have made, the traffic light method, and whatever you've read. Whatever you've read or easy should be put in the last, and whatever is difficult and is not yet read should be put in the beginning. Because whatever is difficult should be read at least once, and it should be revised once, or else it will be very difficult for you during the examination. You'll be under a lot of stress. So make sure you finish it and revise it once before the examination. You have to make the planner in a way you want to follow it. So what you have to do for it is you have to put a difficult subject and then an easy subject, a difficult subject and then an easy subject. On doing this, you'll automatically get the interest to go and consistently follow your planner. And here I have not made my planner very colorful, but if you do have the time and the supplies, you can surely make your calendar even more colorful and stick it in a place where it's visible for you, or write it in a notebook which you use often, so that you get to know what you have to study today and you follow it. Make sure that you cross out everything you have read from your planner. This is going to give you a lot of motivation to study the next thing. So to make you follow your planner, you have to motivate yourself. For that, you can watch study blogs of many YouTubers online, buy or make some motivational posters and stick it beside your study table, so that every time you see that you really want to go study, keep your devices far away, because they're the biggest enemy of studies. Keep them away for a while and only go touch it after you finishing your study session. So that will be like a treat for your study session. So on doing all this, you'll be surely able to follow it consistently. So guys, in this video I have told you how to make a planner and follow it consistently. On following this, surely you will be able to rock in your exams. That's all for today's video, guys. Hope you enjoyed it and hope it helps you. And thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to Sciology.